Hello, welcome back in this tutorial. So in previous tutorial we are complete navbar and sidebar. So in our dark night mode it's perfectly worked, but in today I will create a home menu and product card shop. So now in our home content, first we are creating a section, and in this section id home. Okay, and dot container is 5 plus s1, and okay, in s5 new arrivals and h1 span. I'll write in span best prices, and in this season. Okay, now paragraph tag and learn with devil, and after paragraph tag write a button. In this button subscribe now. And let's go in style.css. Okay, in style.css first comment home, and hashtag home. As in properties, home properties, we are right with 100% and height 100 vh. Okay, and background size cover, display flags and flags direction column, and justify content center, align items center, no flags start. Yeah, if I used to use a background image, so background image URL in our image folder. Yeah, images and background. Now it looks good, and our home icon is worked properly. Now in hashtag home and h5, in h5 properties using font size is large, and for font size 3 rem. Yeah, and font weight 700. Font family using a default, I guess Cambria. Yeah, Cambria, and looks good. Now transition 0.3s, 0.5 and 4s. Okay, and rise and edge. Okay, now home is 5 hover, and in this hover color var variable and invar using for colors. Okay, now span using, so hashtag home h1 span, and in this span color variable and using btn colors, and transition because of I'm using hover. So font weight 700 and transition 0. All and 0.5s. Okay. Hashtag home h1 and hover color I'm using for red. Yeah. So now in paragraph, so hashtag home and p, font size 28 pixel and font weight 800. It's so huge, so using for 500. Okay. And color variable primary color. And body dot dark for night mode, for and home paragraph properties using for color, for variable and color between colors using for between colors. But yeah, otherwise you change for any colors like this text. Okay, so now I have button colors. You have to use in hashtag home and button. Okay, in this button properties, display inline flags, no inline block and background color variable btn color, but red using for text too. Okay, and border none, border radius 10 pixel, no 10 pixel, yeah, and font size 28 pixel, width 20 rem is for. Okay, now cursor pointer and text align center, justify content and transition all 0.4h. Okay, and color and primary. But in this case this properties is wrong for font family, so you can skip, or otherwise you can use them for any properties. And background color, in hover background color using for a primary, and color is forever red. Okay, so if we are using for a box shadow, and in this box shadow 0, 12 pixel, 16 pixel and 0 RGBA 00, and in last 24 0.24 and 0 pixel, 17 pixel and 50 pixel 0 RGBA 000 and 0.19. Okay, after in dark mode but still in light mode, so write a new properties. You can use for properties like this, and dark mode for when background is white and our text is red. Okay, now in HTML top category and ID, top category Okay, and in this section write a container other dot category card and dot category. Okay, image. I have some categories like this, category section and camera. Okay, after image section write h3, and in h3 for write a title like as action camera. Okay, but you can see in this case I gotten an occurrent problem because of in our sidebar is hidden camera bar content. So if we are change our JavaScript 16 pixel, but when header is toggle bar is open and closed, then this problem solved. But when refresh this page, this problem is occur. So now it's fixed. Const is sidebar open for check this variable and used equals to document local storage dot get item is server open and equal true. Okay, that means when its sidebar is open, then this process is this condition applied in our local storage. So now menu dot class list dot toggle, in this toggle is open and is sidebar is open. So copy in our body style and paste it, but in this variable change to our sidebar open. So is sidebar is open, paste it here. Okay, now check it in this refresh. Yeah, this problem is solved. Okay, now in our HTML for in this section copy and paste for 3 times. Okay, copy and paste it. And change in our image and title. Okay, now I am changing everything for time shortly. You can see for image and title. So now in our style.css, in a comment top category and hashtag top category, in properties display flags and justify content center and flags warm is warm. Okay, and top category so dot category card, and in this category card with 200 pixel and max width 100%. Yeah, and margin 20 pixel and overflow hidden, border radius 20 pixel and box shadow, but you can't see any border radius. So in box shadow, if we are using 10 pixel RGBA and 0.1, so you can now visible for box shadow, sorry, and box border radius. Now justify content and align items is center. Okay. For now, new sequence category. So dot hashtag top category and top dot category card and dot category. In this category properties, text align center. Okay, and padding 10 pixel. Transition 0 and transform 0.3s edge in out. Okay, now use for hover, so copy and paste it here, and in this hover transform scale 1.05. okay, now you can see it. Yeah, for similarly and more than categories, we can copy and paste it. And image max with 100% and height auto. And in H3, in our title font size medium. Yeah, it looks awesome. But now we are increase in our category, so in copy and paste more than 6 times. Okay, now you can see, and it's almost responsive. Okay, now our product card for new content. So here can change in our here, but in this category we can't change our button ID. So we are write a new properties anchor tag. So in this tag I am to copy button properties and paste here and replace half. In this half hashtag top category. When we are click this button, then it's responsive and responds me. So now write a new section ID feature product. Okay, in this featured products we are using for bootstrap for easily responsive. So MY5 and padding bottom 5. Yeah, and dot container, and in this container class text align center, so text hyphen center and margin top 5 padding Y5. okay, and S3 our top featured products. And a new HR, in this HR class MX auto. Okay, and in this paragraph here you can check our top featured products. Okay, now in divs, after div section, we are create a product card. Okay, now for in display you can see feature products and paragraph text. Okay, yeah. So now dot row, and in this class mx auto and container fluid. Okay, now in div section dot one or dot product, and in this product text haven center and column large 3 and column medium 4 and column small 12. Okay, and image dot images and left of one for testing purpose. Yeah, so now in this image class image fluid and margin bottom 3. Okay, and save for a star and in this retina star and I for class phosphor star. Okay, now copy 4 times. Yeah, and after this routines you can here write h5 class product name, and in this product name we are copy it in our notepad and paste it here. Yeah, okay, paste in here. So now price in our product price for similar for right h4 class product price, and in this price I am written for BDT. So BDT 81,000. Okay, now save this file and similar for a anchor tag for button buy now. And in this button class top product or the other feature product btn. Yeah, and by now. Save this file and you can see the visibility. Now copy and paste it here. For copy, product cards and paste it here. Okay, now you can see for responsibility or not. Yeah, for large 4 items. And we have to run it for in our top bar, and in this link section delete and delete it. Yeah, and save this file. Yeah, now you can see our product shop is ready. So in this product card we now are using Bootstrap for responsibilities and astral.css for design some products like this button and product name and product price. So we are changed in our something, no need for changes, and at here featured products. So in this featured products, for product and capture pointer, and margin bottom to rem. Okay, and after this featured products and new featured products dot image, in this image transition 0.3s all, and image hover opacity 0.7, but okay. Now button for featured products btn, you have to change featured products btn. So copy this class and shift hash images and product and featured products btn. Okay, background color for text and in here for color, but and width 30 pixel is so small, for clear 3 rem, and change for something for 4 rem and 10 rem. It's almost good. And font size 28 pixel and 18 pixel. Okay.